Hey guys, glad to see you guys are watching. Today we're going to be talking or reviewing the Honda Pilot 2017 edition. If you guys watch towards the end, we guys will sneak in a little sneak peek or hint about this car that will help you guys if you ever own this car or will get this car in the future. Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the 2017 Honda Pilot Touring Edition. The first thing we're going to be reviewing is the key and its own functions that it has for this car. The first function of the key is the top button, which is the lock button. The second, which is in the middle, is the unlock button. The next bottom left button is a circular arrow. With the code you can self-start with the car. The bottom right button is the trunk of the car to open up the trunk automatically. And the bottom in red letters is the panic button. The first top button, which is the lock button, you press it once to quietly lock your car, and you press it twice to make a louder sound so you know that from a distance your car is locked. The middle button is the unlock button. With the unlock button, you press it once to open up the door side, and you press twice to open up the whole car. And now I'll be showing you guys the function of the car without the key in order to open it and close it. If your key is in your purse or your wallet, another way to open up the car would just be by putting your hands in the handle, and you will hear the sound, and that means open. Next is to close the door. You shut the door and you press the black button. No. And now your car is closed, and let's get to the next part. Next is the self-start function in the key. In order to self-start, you want to press the top lock button once, and you want to press the circular arrow and hold it. Press the top button and hold the bottom left button. In order to turn off the car, you want to press the circular arrow and hold it. And now that we turn off the car, we get to our next part. Now to our next part, how to open up the trunk. In order to open up the trunk, you want to press the bottom left button. And now it will open. In order to close the trunk, there's two possibilities. Number one would be to press the button, or you could do it with the key button. And next, or the last button will be the panic button. Now with the panic button, you could use it for a couple of cases. Either if you're ever in a big parking lot and you need to find your car, or in extreme cases. Now the last function of this key will be pulling the real key out. All you want to do is pull this little black tab right here and then pull the key out. Hey guys, another interesting part about the trunk would be the extra space. All you want to do is open the handlebar and pull out. You could either put it in like this, for more space, or if you want to use heavy duty tools, you could take the same mat out, twist it around, and put it in the same place. And now you guys have more space, as you can see. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. For all the subscribers that subscribe, thank you. For all the new viewers, please subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.